Hello coders, I hope you are coding well. In the previous video, we created workout reactive form with the component in our Angular application, and in today's video, we will write the code to call post workout API, and then we will test this as well. So let's get started. So in our Angular application, first of all, we need to create a method in our user service, and this method will coordinate with our backend application. And after this, we will create a method in our workout component, and this method will collect the data from the form, and then we will show success or error message as well. So first of all, we will open user.service.ts, and in this file, let's copy this post activity method and let's paste this here. And after this, we need to update the method name, and we will replace this post activity with post workout. And then we need to update the params of the method, and we will replace this activity DTO with workout DTO. And after this, we need to update the API URL, and after the API slash, we will replace this activity with workout, and at the end we will pass this workout DTO in the request body. And with this, our post workout method is completed in user service. Now let's save this file and let's open workout.component.ts, and in this component we need to create a new method, and we will name this method as submit form. And in the body of this method we will use our user service, and after this we will call post workout method, and in this we need to pass the workout data which we can get from our workout form. And to do this, we will write this dot workout form dot value, and after this we will subscribe the response, and we will name this as res, and we will write an arrow function, and then to handle the errors we will write error function as well. And in the case of error, we will use ng message service, and we will show the message as error while posting workout, and the duration of this will be 5000 milliseconds. And in the case of success, we will again use ng message service, and we will show the message as workout posted successfully. And after this, we need to remove the data from the form, and to do this we will use our workout form, and after this we will call reset method. And with this, our submit form method is completed in the ts file. Now let's save this file, and after this we need to write the code to call this submit form method. And to do this, we will open workout.component.html, and in this file, in the form tag, we will use ng submit event, and on the execution of this event we will call a method submit form. And with this, our HTML code is completed as well to call the API. Now let's save this file and let's run our application. And as you can see, our application is up without any errors. Now let's go to the browser and let's test our post workout API call. And in the browser, we will click on this workout menu, and as you can see, we got redirected to our workout page. And in the post new workout form, we need to enter the data, and for the calories burned we will give it as 300, and after this for the duration we will give it as 30 minutes, and after this we will select today's date, and at the end we need to select the type, and we will give it as swimming. And as you can see, our post workout button got enabled, and now let's click on this button, and as you can see, we got the message workout posted successfully, and our post new workout form got reset as well. And now let's go to our MySQL workbench to verify this entry. And in the MySQL workbench, we will open the tables drop down of our fitness tracker DB. And after this, to view the data of workout table, we will click on this icon. And as you can see, in this table we got a new entry with the ID 2, where calories burned are 300 and the duration is 30 and the type is swimming. And that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will create the API call to get the workouts in our Spring Boot application.